right, mama, this one is for you. These are my top 25 gifts for a new mom for Christmas. Now, if you want someone to buy you these things, share this video with them and just be like, hint, hint, number 12, or whatever number that you want to put on your list. Definitely tell your significant other or whoever is asking what you want for Christmas, just tell them what you want, because it's the best way to get exactly what you want. Now, if you are a significant other or a family member or a friend and you are looking for gift ideas to get someone, my only rule of thumb with Christmas gifts and birthday gifts, or like any holidays, is basically get something for someone who doesn't necessarily buy this for themselves. You're buying them a gift. So vacuums and, you know, like cleaning things, like those are all great and dandy. But when it comes to getting someone a gift, get them something luxurious. Get them something they would not necessarily splurge on for themselves. So that's gonna bring me to item number 1. I don't have anything physical because it's not a physical gift. Get this person a gift certificate to get a massage. I mean, I don't think there's any explanation needed. So along the lines of that, item number 2 is a gift certificate for a facial. Facials are so relaxing. I would almost say as relaxing as getting a massage, just a different body part. Item number 3, find out if and where this person that you're getting a gift for gets their nails done, and get them a gift card to get a mani-pedi. A lot of times, I mean, I know at least for myself, I'll either choose one or the other. I'll get my nails done or I'll get my toes done, but I don't always do both. So get them the gift card to get both done, do the splurge, and get this for them. Item number 4 is a hotel getaway weekend. It can be a night, it can be a whole weekend, but regardless, this mom in your life needs a break. And moms don't really ask for breaks. They kind of just keep going. So this is the best thing that you can do to ensure that this mom that you love in your life is having a nice relaxing time. Buy them a hotel stay. Now, this hotel can be a staycation or like a weekend getaway somewhere a little bit further away. I'm assuming if it's a new mom, they're not gonna wanna go far from home without their baby. So try to make it somewhere, you know, not too far, but also not super close. Like, don't go up the street. Item number 5, now we're getting into the physical items. You wanna get a nice plush bathrobe and some bath items. You could do bath bombs, bubbles, Epsom salt things. I'm not like huge on the bath items, but one thing I love in the bathtub are those boards that can go across the tub so that you can watch a movie, have a drink or a glass, you know, like have some water, a glass of wine, maybe some coffee, whatever you want to have while you're relaxing in the bathtub. Another thing that I love that you can add, and maybe like a bath basket for this mom, is what are they called? The bath pillows. You can get a pillow for the bathtub so that when she's resting her head, it's not on the hard bath, it's on a nice cushy pillow. Item number 6 is a fancy coffee station. Now, whatever kind of coffee this mom in your life loves, just enhance their coffee experience. You don't have to get an entirely new coffee maker or a new Keurig or whatever they have. If you want to upgrade them, you can. Or if their favorite thing to get at Starbucks is a cappuccino, get a cappuccino maker. Okay, I had to grab these examples for the video, but you can get a World's Best Mom mug. I don't think that's gonna focus, but it's fine. Or you can get these syrups that you can put right in the coffee. Anything that, you know, if you know what this mom loves and you want to get some for her, get her a good supply, because I would say my husband and I have gone through this. I just hit myself in the face with this bottle, but we're like up to here, or already down to here, and we've only had this for maybe 2 weeks because we both love it. So anything that can enhance your mama's coffee, great idea. But making the coffee station like more of a permanent fixture in the kitchen is such a fun and easy idea to just kind of curate an entire gift theme. I am a huge fan of gift themes, and that's a great way to do it. Okay, so item number 7, this is a fun one. I'm not a huge wine drinker, but if this mama in your life is a big wine drinker, you could get her a wine club subscription. I live in the Finger Lakes in upstate New York, and we have wineries everywhere. So if you don't want to do like an annual subscription, you could take this mama for a weekend wine tour, even if it's just one day. I think that would be so much fun, and even though I'm not a big wine drinker, I would love to do that, and you can couple this wine tour weekend with the hotel vacation and all the bath supplies and make for a luxurious experience for this mama. Item number 8, these are so popular right now. These Little Words Project, these bracelets they're awesome. I love the concept that you buy the bracelet, you register the bracelet with with the tag that comes on the bracelet. I don't have any, but if anybody wants to buy me one, hint, hint, I love the concept. And then you pass it to the next person, and then they register where in the world they're registering the bracelet from, and you just keep passing it along. It's like the Sisterhood of the Traveling Bracelets, and they have so many different words. They're just like little words of affirmation, and you can get one that says mama, or you could get something that says anything, really, and it's just a really great concept. Item number 9 is another very popular item this year, and it has been for the past couple of years, but the mama necklaces. You can get it in the script font or just regular font, I don't know what it's called, but where the letters are a little more spread out, or you can get it across in that script font. They're both very popular right now, and like everybody has one, so definitely get one for the mama in your life. I don't have one. Hint, hint, if anybody's watching this that buys me presents. Okay, item number 10 is a journal. You want to encourage writing down memories, really just like getting emotions out, because a lot of times moms feel unheard. They feel like they're just someone's caretaker. So they can have just a plain empty journal if they don't need any writing prompts, but also getting one question a day. And actually my therapist introduced me to this one because I got something like this for my kids for Christmas, and I was like, this would be really cool for adults. And they actually make one called One Question a Day for Moms. So I think that's a really cute one that's actually like has prompts in it to kind of encourage, you know, thought processes. Item number 11, something moms don't always spend the money on for themselves is nice slippers. Make the splurge, get a nice pair, especially if this is a mom who is either working from home or is a stay-at-home mom or is just home a lot. And especially because it's winter now, feet are cold, get some nice slippers. This next item I think is just the sweetest thing. It's going to take some prep work and some sneaky photo taking. Moms are not in pictures enough, and I know that people say this all the time, get mom in the picture. There's like a whole hashtag, isn't there? Like Operation Pictures of Mom, I don't know. But get pictures of mom and baby, mom and toddler, mom and whoever. I mean, like, you could be watching this for an adult mom with an adult mom, and a mom with an adult child, with a teenage child, like whoever it might be. Take pictures of mom in action, and then get this item. It is the Heart Snapshot Mixed Photo Art. I think it is the sweetest item that I would love to get, personally. Some pictures of me with the kids in a collage form, because you can always print a nice big family picture, but this is just something a little bit different. And then there's number 13. I love this item. I got it for my husband actually, and I got this for an anniversary. Actually, I got it for him for Christmas, but it has our anniversary date on it. But you enter in the location and the date. I think you can even do the time, and it will make a beautiful picture of the night sky. I think, is that what it's called? Is it called Starry Night or the Night Sky? I will have the description, or the link in the description box down below, so that you can get it. Absolutely like not sponsored or anything. I don't get sponsorships on this channel. But I love this item, and actually all of these items I speak about because I love them. and I just think moms would also love them. But the whole point in getting this night sky is because for one, I love stars, I love constellations, I love astronomy. So it's kind of like meaningful to me to have the night sky from a special night, like from when my husband, oh wait, it was actually from when he proposed to me, wasn't it? I don't remember, but it's on the B-roll, so we'll see what the date was on there. It really helps you signify a special date. Item number 14 is a heated foot massager. Don't feel like I need to say anything else about that one, just get it. Item number 15 is good quality bedding. Yes, it will make a difference. The bamboo sheets are all the rage right now. I don't have them, but I have slept in places that do have them, and I can attest to the coziness. It is worth the price. Item number 16, you can get in a couple different ways. Now, I have this little book, if you noticed, that I generally have it right over there on my shelf. It is not there right now. Right there, I keep it on the little easel. But I love just opening this up when I need a little bit of inspiration. So she plans big, rolls up her sleeves, and has faith in her own momentum. So this is something that when I need a little bit of inspiration, I just grab it and read one and just kind of repeat it to myself a few times. I love that Amazon has them in card form. You can just pull out a card each day, and that's a great gift idea. Item number 17, succulent. My little pot says give yourself time to grow, and this is very dry. I need to water it, but it has stayed alive for quite some time now. And if you see, I do have a lot, you probably can't see that plant over there, but I do have a lot of indoor plants because I just love them, and they're good for the oxygen around the house. And succulents don't die very easily, so it's a good option. Now I'm gonna take the top off of my water and give this some because she's thirsty. Item number 18, I think this is so fun. This is definitely not a necessity, but it is a fun little luxury, I guess you can say. It is a comfy, cozy luxury, a big wearable blanket. Now, there was a time, what were those called? Where those like basically backward robes were like all the rage and everybody wanted one. I feel like they were called like Snuggies or something. I feel like they were called Snuggies, but now these wearable blankets, like they just look so much like cuter and more fun to wear around the house because they're not floor length, draping all over the place, and you can actually wear it and stay warm. Now, I work from home, so I am home all day, and for whatever reason, I always feel cold, so I'm always layering up, and I am a huge fan of the wearable blanket, so get one for the mama in your life so I can live vicariously through her. Item number 19, honestly, this is one of my favorites, and I am so glad that I got this. It is an eye massager. Now, I'm not gonna put it on because I have makeup on, but it just like has this elastic that goes right over your face, and it has air pressure, it has heat, it has vibration, it has music, you can connect it to Bluetooth, and this will massage your eye area for 15 minutes, and it is glorious. 9 times out of 10, I actually fall asleep when I have this on, but it is something that I didn't know that I needed, and once I had it, I was like, how did I ever live without this? I get a lot of headaches, a lot of migraines, and whenever I feel it coming on, I just pop this on, and it doesn't, like, I mean, it's not like made to make your headaches go away, but it definitely helps. So definitely recommend getting one of those. Item number 20 is if you have a plant lover, again, we just talked about the succulents, but if they have more of a green thumb, when you take a snippet from a plant and you want to grow another one from it, what the heck is it called? Anyways, the item is a plant terrarium. I kind of want one because I want to try and do this. If I could think of the word that I am thinking of, what is it called? I gotta Google it. Prop lifting or propagating? Okay, if you have a green thummy plant lover and they want to propagate their plants, get this little plant terrarium, Words are a little bit hard right now. I've been talking a lot. I think it's really cute, and I think it's a great gift idea, and I would be very excited if I got one. Basically, you guys, this is my Christmas list. Half kidding, half not, but I figure if I'm gonna do the research, might as well make a video because I know there's other mamas out there or other family members looking to get gifts for mamas in their life. Item number 21 is this infusion water bottle. You can, or mama can, put anything into water bottles and have it infused into their water without having to drink the seeds and get the pulp and all the nasty stuff. So I think this is a great idea and helps mama stay hydrated. We do not drink enough water as it is. So if we can do something to make it a little bit more yummy, I think it's a great idea, great gift. Item number 22 is something that I would love, and by the time I figured out that this is even a thing, the season was over, but you can get any mama in your life a flower bouquet subscription. I think this is a great idea. It's a gift that keeps on giving every month of the year, but you can get a flower subscription. I think my sister-in-law did this for my mother-in-law. I don't know if it was a Christmas gift or a Mother's Day gift, but I think it is a great gift nonetheless. Item number 23 is another item that is not a physical item, but I know every mom would appreciate. Find a great local photographer and book a photography session. Chances are you haven't had great family photos taken since before the baby was born. If you're looking at gifts for a new mom and this is her first Christmas as a new mom, get new family photos. It's always a great gift. And sometimes maybe you can find a Groupon, maybe sometimes not, but I know photographers can be expensive, but I think this is a very thoughtful, heartfelt gift that any mom would appreciate. And a way that you could package the gift is to get a nice big picture frame and keep it empty and then just put on there like a little gift certificate that you can make yourself in Canva, or I don't know, I use canva.com to make my graphics, but you can make a little gift certificate. They have tons of templates and say, you know, like I owe you future family photo in this frame. This coupon is good for one photo session with blah 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 photographer on blah 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 date and time, and I think it would be so precious. Okay, on to the next. This is my last item. I saved the biggest one for last, but an air fryer. I know a lot of moms already have one. If they don't, air fryers are a game changer because we never have enough time. There is never enough time in the day, especially when you have kids. Air fryers completely change the game. They make it so much easier and just everything kind of tastes better in an air fryer. I mean, click the like button if you know what I'm talking about. But air fryers change the game, and I know I said to get luxury items. Actually, that wasn't the last item, that was number 24. But I know I said to get luxury items and not necessarily like kitchen gadgets or vacuums, because I just think that kind of like conveys a message to moms, like you belong in the kitchen or you belong cleaning the house. And so I would kind of talk to the mama about it beforehand, but I love cooking, so it was a Mother's Day gift that I actually really loved, and it changed the cooking game for me. Dino nuggets taste amazing in the air fryer and way better than if you have to microwave them. So air fryer for life. Now we're on the last item, item number 25. I used to have a heated blanket that I could bring into bed with me. Now I've seen on Amazon these heated mattress pads. Like, what? And you can get them just twin size, because I would love to have that, but my husband would not. I actually wonder if they have one that heats and one that cools or something like that, because I think that would be a great combination. So if somebody has not invented that yet, there's your $1 million idea. You're welcome. But a heated mattress pad would be the greatest gift for somebody who is always cold. Hello. And especially in these winter months, I think that would be a great gift idea. Okay, so I think this video is packed full of great gift ideas for a mom in your life, whether it's her first Christmas celebrating as a new mom or she's a seasoned mom. But these are great gift ideas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come back for more and keep blooming. Mwah.